welcome to Food Friday. I'm Janna, I'm the dietitian here at the Stram Center, and today we'll be making energy balls. These are a great healthy snack to keep on hand. You can refrigerate them to keep them a little bit fresher longer, or you can keep them just in a sealed container for up to 5 days. These pack a healthy combination of complex carbohydrates and fiber, healthy fats, and a little bit of protein to keep you full longer. So these are some of the ingredients that we'll be including. Our energy balls today have raisins. You can roll them in either chopped nuts of any kind you like, or you can roll them in coconut, which is what we'll be doing today. So our energy balls are gonna have rolled oats. We're also utilizing some peanut butter. You can use almond butter, cashew butter, any kind of butter you like. And then a little bit of honey for a touch of sweetness to get them the right consistency to stick together and bind. This is our mix of oats. I used about a half a cup of rolled oats, a quarter of a cup of raisins, which I slightly rehydrated with hot water, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the dark chocolate chips, and 1 tablespoon of honey. You're just gonna scoop up like a little over a tablespoon, and you're gonna start balling it up. We're gonna just roll it in some coconut.